This video shows how you can count the cells with the text inside it. So here you can see that in this particular column, let us say I want to find all the count the number of cells that has got text. For that you have got one function called as count A, and here you have to give the range. So I given B1 to B8. So this range I have given B1 to B8, and the output of this particular function is 7. That means there are 7 cells which contains the text. That means non-blank cells. There are 7 cells like that. That's how you can find out all the count of the cells that contains the text in Google spreadsheet. Thanks for watching this video.